English-Bulgarian, may I, equals.
Може ли да?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master, may I, in Bulgarian.
Може ли да?
We'll keep it fun, polite, and super practical, like a diplomatic espresso shot. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll ask for permission like a pro. Goal. Say, may I, clearly and kindly in Bulgarian using.
Може ли да?
Add context words like permission.
Разрешение.
And please.
Моля.
And feel confident in daily situations. Forms and meaning. Let's compare a few lookalikes so you never mix them up. Permission, polite, may I.
Може ли да?
Example, may I sit here? Ability, can I, am I able?
Мога ли да?
Ability, not permission. Is it allowed, rule-based?
Разрешено ли е да?
More formal, about rules. Negative permission, may I not?
Може ли да не?
Pronunciation beat. Tap this rhythm with me and feel the flow. Mojli da.
Може ли да?
Clap on li. Ta 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 ta. Say it smoothly.
Може ли да?
Smile, your voice sounds friendlier. Funny mini dialogue. Time for a tiny scene, you be the polite hero. You, excuse me.
Може ли да?
Opening parenthesis.
Да седна тук.
Closing parenthesis question mark quote. Librarian, of course, quietly. A cat strolls by and meows.
Може ли да?
Opening parenthesis.
Да изляза.
Then immediately meows to come back in. Classic cat. Quick drills. You repeat after me, clear, friendly, confident. At the door, may I? Come in.
Може ли да?
Opening parenthesis.
Да вляза.
Closing parenthesis dot. Before sitting, may I? Sit here.
Може ли да?
Opening parenthesis.
Да седна тук.
Closing parenthesis dot. On the phone, may I? Speak to the manager.
Може ли да?
Opening parenthesis.
Да говоря с управителя.
Closing parenthesis dot. Window request. May I? Open the window.
Може ли да?
Opening parenthesis.
Да отворя прозореца.
Closing parenthesis dot. Emergency. May I? Use the phone.
Може ли да?
Opening parenthesis.
Да използвам телефона.
Closing parenthesis dot. Tourist mode. May I? Take a photo.
Може ли да?
Opening parenthesis.
Да снимам.
Closing parenthesis dot. Polite no sugar. May I not? Add sugar.
Може ли да не?
Opening parenthesis.
Да не слагам захар.
Closing parenthesis dot. Culture tip. A tiny tweak makes you sound extra polite. Bulgarian requests often add, please.
Моля.
Try.
Може ли да? Моля.
Keep your tone calm and friendly, think respectful.
Учтив.
And you're golden. Mini quiz. Quick check, answer out loud. Q. How do you say, may I, in Bulgarian? A.
Може ли да?
Q. True or false? This asks for permission, not ability. A. True. Q. Ability form? Say it. A.
Мога ли да?
Q. Formal, is it allowed? A.
Разрешено ли е да?
Challenge. Ready to level up? Role play 3 scenes. 1. At a museum entrance. Ask, may I take photos? Start with.
Може ли да?
Opening parenthesis.
Да снимам.
2. On a train, may I sit here?
Да седна тук.
3. In an office, may I speak to the manager?
Да говоря с управителя.
Keep it polite with
Моля.
thanks and keep going. You did great today. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Practice.
Може ли да?
Whenever you need.
Разрешение.
Stay.
Учтив.
And come back for more lessons at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.